So this is my submission for the mainnet. This is my mainnet submission for the Harmony ZKU final project. So it is a mixer that utilizes a layer system. So this layer system can help to forward any transaction as long as it's provided with the right address and the right encoded call data. So the layer server is being hosted on Heroku right now. So the way the server works is that you send a post request to it with the contract address and the encoded call data. So it first of all processes the transaction locally on its local node to see how much profit it will get if it processes that transaction. So if it gets a reasonable profit while processing the transaction, it will go ahead to process it. But if it doesn't bother to process the transaction. So we'll be utilizing this layer node system with our basic mixer here. So this mixer accepts a basic value. So we set this to 1000 and we set this to 1001. So we click on deposit. For this, we aid us. So we click on confirm. So we can come here to speed up the transaction by increasing the gas fee. Then we wait for this to be done. So the deposit has been confirmed, the event was successfully emitted. So we come over here to our withdraw part. So these are the values that we ask for us on withdraw. We can decide to use a relayer or we can decide to not use a relayer. It is up to the user. So if you decide to not use a relayer, you just calls the withdraw function without the relayer parameters. So we would like to use a relayer in order to increase our anonymity and to make it more secure. So we can click on get layers. This helps us to get every layer that is registered on the registry contract. So this is a layer that was registered on the registry contract. So its endpoint, how to communicate with it has been set on the registry contract. Let me refresh it for it. Want to see well. So this is how many transactions it has relayed. It has relayed 2 transactions and it has gotten a total sum of 1.71 from relaying those 2 transactions. So this should give you an average fee it charges per relay. So you can come here and copy the address. So you can see that it charges 0.9 and maybe almost 0.91 for each successful relay of a transaction. So we come here, come to the withdraw, we input our ticket parameters. So the receiver address, we pick this address. So the relayer we want to use the relayer address, and then the fee we want to pay 0.8. So we click on the withdraw. This sends a post request to the relayer server, which is here. The layer server should be getting the request soon. Let me refresh this. So it has successfully received the values. Then it will come here, it will run it locally. It will run it locally, then it will tell us that it has successfully relayed the transaction. Then the front end also successfully tells us the same thing. Due to network issues, it might take some time for the effect to be seen. So thank you.